In the field of technical drawing, we generally draw on a sheet of paper that is attached to a drawing board. This makes it easier to use drawing instruments, and it allows for more precise geometric drawings. Here's how to tape a sheet of paper to a drawing board. Place the sheet in the center of the drawing board. Place the T-square on the sheet with the head on the appropriate side of the drawing board. Left-handed people should press the head of the T-square to the right side of the drawing board. Right-handed people should press the head of the T-square to the left side of the drawing board. Make sure the bottom of the sheet is aligned with the top edge of the T-square's blade. Secure the sheet to the drawing board by taping the top two corners of the sheet. Slide the T-square halfway down the sheet. Secure the sheet to the drawing board by taping the bottom two corners of the sheet, making sure it doesn't move. That's how you tape a sheet of paper to a drawing board.